Hi everyone, introduced from the international class and of electrical engineering from the Universitas of Nusa Putra. On this class we will show to you how to make an APU multimeter.
Materials 110 box and cable, LED, buzzer, ampere voltmeter, battery, banana jack, switch. The first step, input the ampere voltmeter into the box. The second step, input the switch into the box.
The third step, input the red and black wires into the box. Put the red wire to the box label positive and the black one to the negative.
The fourth step, connect the black cable to the black cable volt ampere meter. The fifth step, connect the red cable with the switch. Then the red and orange wire on the volt ampere meter also connect to the switch.
Sixth step, connect the battery with a cable, then put into the D.I.Y digital multimeter, then glue it and check the condition of the multimeter if the multimeter is ready to use.
How to make a
D.I.Y multimeter. Material: first is tin, second is box, third is cable, fourth is LED, 5 is buzzer, 6 ampere voltmeter analog, 7 battery, 8 banana jack, 9 is switch, 10 resistor. The first step is to connect the resistor with an analog volt ampere meter.
The second step, connect the cable with the battery, red wire to positive and black wire to negative.
The third step is to insert the battery into the box, then connect the red cable, then connect the battery to the switch.
The fourth step, then connect the red cable that connects the switch to the analog volt ampere meter.
Fifth step, then connect the cable with an analog volt ampere meter. The sixth step, connect the cable that connects the analog volt ampere meter to the banana jack. And the last step is, if you have followed this step, The DIY analog multimeter is ready to use because you all finished all steps for this tutorial.